The 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, running boards, remote engine start, BOSE sound system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, driver airbag, front floor mats, four-wheel ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, premium sound system, auto-off headlights, MP3 player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.